Alright, this is Landmark printer repair. What we're going to do is a basic breakdown of the printer, find the problem. All you're going to need, simple tools like a screwdriver, flathead, also Phillips. What we're going to start with doing is remove this front cover. Slides open like that. You can get a good view of the inside. Also the back comes down, we don't need to do that. And now that you got the cover open, you can watch those hinges. Now that you have the cover open, you're going to take your screwdriver and go ahead and adjust right here on the bottom to get the little cartridges out. Alright, now that we've got that done, we can get to the cartridge. Problem solved. That's it. In case you're wondering, I also do Epsons.
Hey, bro, you need help with that one?